Hey guys, this is Erica at Principal Toyota, and today I want to show you the navigation on the new 2019 Highlander. Now, if you have an XLE Limited or Platinum Highlander, this does apply to you. Now, if you want to take a look at the screen, on the home screen, I already have the navigation there. All you'd have to do is select it, but if you choose not to have the navigation on the home screen, all you have to do is click Apps, Navigation, and you're there. Now, there's several ways to input the destination. All you have to do is click that destination button. You can click Address, put in your state, city, and street address. You can also look it up by points of interest, previous destinations, and if you have addresses through your address book, they will be there as well. You also have these presets. You can set your home, your work, your favorite restaurant, but my favorite way to set up your destination is through the Driver Easy Speak. Take me to an address.
Please say the full address.
7370 Winchester Road, Memphis, Tennessee.
Is 7370 Winchester?
I'm gonna say yes. And then you would click OK. And it will start the navigation. Now you can see we're already there because that's the address of Principal Toyota. I hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, anyone here at Principal Toyota would love to help you. We look forward to seeing you.